We're taking a short flight today over to Stearman. If we're going to kill two birds with one stone, I need to go ahead and get current again on takeoff and landings. And we have a subscriber coming in town on business, wanted to do a meetup, so we'll probably go over there, pick him up, and maybe take him for a short flight as well.
James Jabra Airport. Automated weather observation. 1905 Zulu. Wind 060 at 10. Heat gust 16. Visibility 10. Sky conditions clear. Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 04 Celsius. Altimeter 3014. Remarks. Density altitude 2,800.
Jabra traffic, Skyline 80 Papico, taxi and run up area 36, Jabra.
Jabra traffic, beach at 4 and Stearman is a 5-mile flight on runway 18, Jabra.
Landed 18.
Set 36 though for...
Yeah. Winds are 060, so that's favoring 36.
Jabra traffic, beach at 400 Stearman is clear 18 tomorrow.
You got room to get by? You need us to move over some more?
No, I think it's all good. Thanks for clearing the runway for us. Appreciate the help.
Not a problem.
Safe flight.
Jabra traffic, Skyline 80 Papico, taking off 36, Jabra.
Approaching runway 36. Entered runway 36. 6,000 feet remaining.
This wind will take off here. Our instruments are green. Our speed's live. And rotate.
Bar traffic, Centurion, Charlie Golf, Papa Lima Sierra, we're 5 to the south inbound, and we're going to land straight in 36 Jabra.
Parr traffic, Skyline 80 Papico, turning eastbound, departing the area. Jabra. Go ahead and switch us over. Great, it's bumpy today. Isn't it?
Oh man, isn't it though?
Don't have weather, it sounds like. Over
Yeah,
here.
that's what I was noticing. Yeah, it says not reporting, so.
Oh. Used bars.
Want me to switch you back, or?
Oh, that's fine. It is their CCAP though, right?
Correct.
Stearman traffic, Skylane 80 Pop Echo's on left base, 35, full stop, Stearman. Stearman traffic, Skylane 80 Pop Echo base to final, 35, full stop, Stearman. See it on the wind, so there.
Yep.
Stearman traffic, Skylane 80 Pop Echo, clear 35, Stearman traffic.
Yeah, that looks good.
Clear there.
There.
All right.
Seems like a lot of work for that flight.
It did. The girl that I went out, she's a relatively new instructor. We were in Monroe. Well, hello everybody. We're at Stearman Field once again, one of our favorite go-to eating at a restaurant on airport spot. Here with Craig today. He is a subscriber out of St. Louis and was actually in town on business.
Yeah.
And contacted me and just said, hey, I'm going to be in town. And I said, well, let's look for a good weather day.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll meet up here at Stearman, eat a little lunch, and go up and fly a little bit.
Yeah.
So, Craig, tell us, kind of what's your aviation kind of path, journey, and
Yeah.
where you're going to from here.
Yeah, so when I was a young kid, 13, 14 years old, my dad took me up with a friend of his.
Yeah.
And I liked it, went up a couple more times with the same pilot.
Yeah.
And kind of thought, someday I want to do that. A couple discovery flights here and there to keep that dream alive.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
and then when I found out I was coming out here and that you were flying out of Jabra,
Yeah.
decided that I'd have to at least look you up and say hi.
Yeah, yeah.
And,
Well,
yeah.
taking discovery flights, keeping the dream alive. But I
Right.
told him a little while ago, it's time to quit dreaming and start doing. It's time to just pull the ripcord and call it good and go for it. Join us next week as we take Craig up for a little flight, let him take the controls and try to keep that passion alive for a little while longer.